is I'm starving and I need something soup. Yes, ito ang ating I'm gonna put some, malinis naman yan, fresh from the farm. So pakukulan ko lang siya. And of course, I have this one. And I have the rice. Ito. Pakulang sa lang siya para mabilis na siya. I make it maybe like a high fire. Lalagay ko na ang this one. Yes, bakit nakaganyan ako? Kasi yung aking tripod, but it's okay. This one is papakuloan ko na siya. And we're gonna move the container later on. Nahihirapan ako, ganinin ko na nga lang siya. Welcome sa aking kusina. Yes, ang kusina ko ay malit lang at punong-puno ng pagmamahal sa inyo. Yes, maraming beses na ako nagluto dito. Yes, maraming beses na ako nagpasaya dito. Ano ba yan? May quizator sa inyong lahat, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Magandang evening po sa inyong lahat. And of course, si Going Angel bumabati na maligayang Pasko, belated at Happy New Year. Ito. Wala akong itlog. Masarap to pag meron siyang itlog, but actually is ito lang muna ang ating pagkain muna today because we need to work to make money. Yes. Java Kajin, happy New Year. Isang mapagpalang araw sa magandang hindi po sa inyong lahat. Today is araw ng Webes right in here in Korea. Nag-gravy ako. Trabaho na tayo. Pag bago ko lang sa channel ko, subscribe and comment down below. Sa ating mga auntie, always fresh and sexy. And sa ating pong lahat at sa inyong lahat, always inspired, never expired. Bago na tayo. Tara, ano nangyari sa aking buhok? Good morning, good morning, good morning! I'm hungry and I'm starving and of course meron akong look at one. Look at this one. This one is ang pabalik-balik kong ramen and of course tuloy po ako sa aking kusina. Ang kusina ko ay maliit lang. Ba't puno ng pagmamahawang galing sa inyo? Imagine that nakahiga ako, nagpakulo na ako ng water. I just bought the water because I'm starving. I wanted something ramen for today and of course this my small houses. Yes, ang house ko na maliit. Yes. My God. Ano lang tayo dito? Alone tonight, may kabisa tao suppose sa inyong lahat. And of course, ano nangyari sa akin? So just all we do is we gonna cook this one. Nahulog ba? Kung paano akong inubuto today because like it's really cold outside. Just all my do is I'm starving and I need something soup. Yes, ito ang ating I'm gonna put some, malinis naman yan, fresh from the farm. So pakukulan ko lang siya. And of course, I have this one. And I have the rice. Ito. Pakulang sa lang siya para mabilis na siya. I make it maybe like a high fire. Lalagay ko na ang this one. Yes, bakit nakaganyan ako? Kasi yung aking tripod, but it's okay. This one is papakuloan ko na siya. And we're gonna move the container later on. Nahihirapan ako, ganinin ko na nga lang siya. Welcome sa aking kusina. Yes, ang kusina ko ay malit lang at punong-puno ng pagmamahal sa inyo. Yes, maraming beses na ako nagluto dito. Yes, maraming beses na ako nagpasaya dito. Ano ba yan? May quizator sa inyong lahat, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Magandang evening po sa inyong lahat. And of course, si Going Angel bumabati na maligayang Pasko, belated at Happy New Year. Ito. Wala akong itlog. Masarap to pag meron siyang itlog, but actually is ito lang muna ang ating pagkain muna today because we need to work to make money. Yes, pag hindi tayo kumita ng pera mangyari sa ating nga at meron tayong konting kanin. So mag-aamusal tayo nito. So and I like to want some coffee. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on sa aking microwave. Yun lang ang buhay natin. Sa taas, sa baba, paluhod, pahibata, pagkapa. So, pasok na tayo. It's welcome! Yes, welcome sa ating bahayan. Of course, we have, dahil sa inyo, we have a YouTube Creator Award. And of course, si Alice, good morning. Good morning world. And of course, intayin lang natin siyang maluto para isusubunan natin. Ating ko pong sing-sing, metong yang tempo kan, amanake iti, kayong dung ibatan. Yes, welcome. welcome to my humble house. Maliit lang, like studio type, meron lang siyang maliit na. Maliit lang ang court. I got only like small rooms, and of course, I got a small bed. That one, that's my small bed, and of course, yun ang aking studio. This one, dito ako muupo, nag-e-edit ang mga video ko, and of course, dito na rin ako kumakain. Maraming kalat. But it's okay. Malinis-linis pa naman siya. And of course, meron tayong caldero. And of course, dahil morning, medyo inuubo ako. At kailangan ko na yakap sulo. Kailangan ko ng kispirin. Yes, ika nga, sa salitang Kapampangan. Yes, kaling Kapampangan, mga paljopo, kay Kon. Yes, siyempre kantan tayo ing leron-leron sinta, buko ng papaya, dala-dalay buslo, alikap, kumain na tayo. Yes, ilang ating ko pong sing-sing, yes, ating tamang friend na mag-request. So, we're gonna sing this song, ating ko pong sing-sing, meto niyang tempo kan, ama na kay iti, keng indong ibatan. Wow. Wow. I like this ramen. This trending ramen is really good. And this one is not really spicy. Siyempre dahil meron tayong kanin. Yes. Alam mo ba? Itong kaldero ang galing sa bansang Pilipinas. Yes, ito ang unang kaunahan nating kaldero sa Pilipinas. Meron din yung palayok, but this one is really, I like, this is my favorite part. And if I cook rice in here, it's really good. Yes, at meron tayong kanin. Kahit konti lang. Important is, you have a breakfast, and we have food, kahit konti lang. Actually, I skip my food sometimes because I sleep and because I work in the night time. Wow. Because like I'm starving when I wake up in the morning and I feel like, oh, I'm hungry and I wondering to go to market, but the problem is I'm lazy. But it's okay. Sabi ko gagawa na ako ng content ko. So I make this one. Yes, ulit po ating mga job guys. Sa inyo pong lahat sa mga Jocally, the always inspired, never expired. Mabuhay po kayo lahat. Kumusta po ang inyong New Year? Ito naman po ang inyong lingkod. Is magipagchikahan. Yes, why we come in overseas to work and of course to make money dahil sa kahirapan natin sa buhay. Yes, ganun ba? Kung may pera lang tayo, doon na tayo sa Pilipinas ba? Ay, di ba, mahirap talaga when you are in overseas, especially during holiday season. We miss them, but we do like a lot of sacrifices. We still sometimes the pain, sometimes the sadness, but there's a happiness. I believe in that. Pag mag-stay naman tayo sa Pilipinas, kasama na naman natin sila, wala tayong pambili ng pagkain, nga. Diba? Ganyan talaga ang OFW. So, eto, sa araw na to, ramen lang ang handa ko para sa'yo. Ang sarap. And because I have a rice too. So yung kanin, it's okay. The most important is the rice. And of course, you know what? Rice and egg is for me, it's really okay now. Because like the egg came from the chicken and the chickens came from the egg. And this ramen came from the Korea. Yes, dahil andito tayo sa bansang Korea, dito tayo kumukuha ng kabuhayan natin. So, ang mga dabarkat, tama na ang drama, kumain na tayo. Ano siya? Spicy. Not so much spicy really. Because I bought this like one pack. It's almost like only like a 2,000 won. And I put in the box. Hindi pa nga naipapadala yung box ko sa Mother Earth ko but it's okay. Lami ba? Meron tayong coffee. Solve na tayo for today. And water, that's it. And after that, so, kukunin ko phone ko, we're gonna try to call ang ating mother. Kasi si mother kagabi is, she feel sick last night. So, mga Joanna, kukumusahin ko na siya, abang kakain ako. At syempre, maya-maya ako rin po mamamaalam sa inyo. I'm gonna call to my mom. Because like last night, she feel sick. And sabi ko, bili ka ng gamot or something, makainom ka na, or eat something, or drink something, hot water, or a hot milk, or a coffee. Yan. Lami ba? At ang ating rice. Yes. So my mom phone ringing, so we gonna say, isa siyang Kapampangan. Actually, may edit na rin siya. Wow, it's so yummy. Hindi siya sumasagot. My mom's not answering. Alright. And isa pang bite para sa inyo. Wow. Today is araw ng Webes. And of course, tomorrow is... Oh! Thank you so much sa inyo pong lahat sa ating mga followers right in there in my Facebook page. It's grow so fast. Thank you so much. Ooh. My mom, she's not answering. Baka may date siya. No, my mom, she's hindi na siya nag-isa sa bahay. Andun yung ating mga kapatid, and if we got a niece, and we got a nephew in the... Look. Wow. This was so yummy. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. That's all for today. This is your Queen, and you never thought to share my story. Please do subscribe my channel, leave a comment down below. And thank you for everybody for our way 300 million. Yes, 300,000 subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Please do subscribe my channel, leave a comment down below. And of course, don't forget to share the love tonight. Ating ko pong sing-sing, metong yang tempo kan, ama na ke iti, ke injung ibatan, sangkang keng sininot, kimetong akaban, la 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 la, bye bye!